Alright, so yesterday we were solving exponential equations and we did the opposite of exponential, which is log, to get that x from out of our exponent. Today we're going to be doing the opposite of log to get the x. We're doing the opposite of log to get our x out of the log. So we're using exponents now. So we want to take whatever our base is here. So what is our base when we don't have anything written here? 10. Awesome. Our base is 10. So it's just implied that that's a 10 there. We want to make a big base 10 here and a big base 10 here. We just made the entire equation an exponent. So whatever this base is, you want to repeat it here. And what you do on one side, you got to do on the other. 10 to the power of log base 10 cancels out. So then we're just left with 4x minus 3. And that's equal to 10 to the second power. What's 10 to the second power? 100. So 4x minus 3 is equal to 100. What do we have to do next to solve for x? Add 3. And add 3. So 4x is equal to 103. And then what do we have to do next? Divide by 4. So x is equal to 103 divided by 4. Since it doesn't simplify, you can leave it like this, or if you want to make it a decimal, you can. I think it would be like 25.75, but you can just leave it like this. And that's your answer. Alright, let's look at the next one. This one's kind of the same idea, but a little bit different because we have two logs on one side of the equation. Whenever you have two logs, you want to condense to one log. So how can we condense this to one log? If we're subtracting, what goes with subtraction? Division. So this would be log. What goes on top? What divided by what?
2.
So the first one goes on top, so it would be x divided by 2. So step 1, whenever you have two logs, is to condense it to one log. Now we want to do the same thing we did in the last one. What is our base down here for the log, if nothing's written? 10. So you have that implied base of 10. So we want to raise both sides of our equation here with a big base of 10. So what happens on the left side when we have 10 to the power of log base 10? Cancels. So then we're just left with x divided by 2. And that's equal to 10 to the third power. What's 10 to the third power? 1,000. And then what should we do next? Multiply. Since x is being divided by 2, we do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. So we're multiplying both sides by 2. So this is x is equal to what? 2,000. And that's our answer. So super important for these that you condense it to one log first. Okay. One other thing, there's some in the homework that have like, I'm just making this up, so log of x is equal to log of 4. If you have a log on both sides of your equation, the logs will cancel, and then you just set x equal to 4. So there's some in the homework that look like this, where you have a log on one side and a log on the other side of the equal sign. So the logs cancel, and you just set everything that's left equal to each other.